Hello, my sewing friends. I'm Jen. This is my sewing room, and this is day 3 of Vlogmas. I've got a hack for you that has to do with this. This is a little push light. I got a package of these at Dollar Tree. You probably have some kind of a place near where you live that's like a Dollar Tree. If not, you can find these on Amazon. You can get them at Walmart. Lots of places. What I like to use these for is more light around where I sew. Let me show you. First of all, let me show you that it is blindingly bright. When you put this under your machine, oh my goodness, the light it will give you in your work area. But it's really simple. It's got an adhesive back. It's got a little indentation right here where you can pull up a little handle. It will tell you open and close, and it just locks in. So you don't have to screw it or anything. You just turn it, and there are your batteries, 3 AAA batteries, and then you can put it right back on, lock it in, put that down, and you are set to go. I use mine right here. Now I'm going to turn on my machine and show you the difference. The light comes on my machine when I turn it on. And you can see, I mean, it's fine. There's a little bit of light right there. You can kind of see. But watch what happens when I do this. Look at that. That brightens it all up. And it's so much better than those little lights that I used to try and get to stick on, the little LED strips of lights. Those things were always falling off, and I could never, no matter what I did, get them to stick. This adhesive is really good adhesive. So that is how I use these inexpensive little wonderful lights. Day 3. Oh my goodness. And it's a chocolate calendar, so I'm all about the chocolate. So here's day 3. It's a peanut butter cup. Oh, I love peanut butter cups. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite. Absolute favorite. The way that you can enjoy these the best is to not just pop the whole thing in your mouth, but take little bitty bites, and that way it lasts. You get to savor it. I'm going to leave you with a scripture from Isaiah 9. But before I do that, I want to tell you that I always take the scripture references from this translation, which is called The Message. It is the Bible in everyday language, and I love it because it speaks to me. It speaks to me in the language that I speak, and I love that. So this is from Isaiah 9. For a child has been born for us, the gift of a son for us. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 4, but till then,